Just got this from Bunnings. It's an AEG. Has an angle grinder, impact driver, the drill, and a circular saw. Also comes in a bag, charger, 2 batteries, etc. Okay, your 5 amp battery. 5 amp battery. Your Now you have your bag. Let's see. This bag is quite heavy as well. It's quite sturdy. Oh, because there's this inside there. This is the angle grinder guard. And let's have a look at this bag. This bag, there's a metal frame to keep it standing. It's quite sturdy. Oh, there's some pockets in front. There are no side pockets. It is quite thick. I think there's 2 layers. The handle is also padded as well. It's quite nice. So there's pockets on both sides. So 3 outside pockets, 3 outside pockets on each side. This is a zip. Zip is okay. It's not that nice. Zips all the way to the end though. So yeah, and it's also can stand, sit flat. Can sit flat. It's a nice bag. It's quite thick, quite heavy duty. And let's see what's next. Also have I think the dust port. We have impact driver, brushless, fusion, it's very nice. It's very nice. And we have the fast charger. Fast charger. There's buttons on top as well. No, just lights. The drill. Wow, this drill is quite heavy duty. It's very comfortable. Oh, this is quite heavy holding with one hand. That's the box. All of the items. Passport. Does come with the blade and an angle grinding disc. everything inside.